Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity. Today, I will present my research with the title Evaluation Instrument Testing of Change Agent in Denpasar High Court with Stick Model. My name is Iketul Swarsana. I write this paper with Mr. Dewa Gede Hendra Divayana and Mr. Gede Indrawan. My institution is Ganesha University of Education. Okay, first I will describe about the introduction. Evaluation is needed to make improvement or increase the performance of a process or activity. Evaluation is also the availability of information for a basis or consideration in making decision. At the Denpasar High Court, almost all activities or aspects are evaluated. This is done to improve the services and performance provided by the Denpasar High Court. Decision making occurs in several activities at the Denpasar High Court. One of the decision making activities is the determining the agent of change. The determination of the agent of change at the Denpasar High Court was carried out through a selection process. This selection process uses several criteria such as discipline, responsibility, creativity, adaptation, behavior, communication, honesty, appearance, English, and computer. Currently, the process of selecting or determining agent of change at the Denpasar High Court is still being carried out manually, and some of the criteria are not based on physically data or document. Based on this, it is important to evaluate the criteria for determining agent of change. To simplify the evaluation process, an evaluation model can be used. One evaluation model that can be used to evaluate criteria is the stick model. In the evaluation process using instrument assistant, this instrument is used to facilitate data collecting and data processing. The instrument also determines the success of the evaluation process. By using a good instrument, it will produce evaluation results that are in according with the condition in the field. To produce a good instrument, it is necessary to test the instrument before the instrument is given to the respondent. Instrument testing is done by testing the validity and reliability of each item or question item on the instrument. The research method used in this research is a quantitative approach method. The subject in this research were 15 people who were agents of change and evaluators. The object of this research is the instrument of change agent evaluation at the Denpasar High Court with a stick model. The research location is the Denpasar High Court. The instrument testing tool is a questionnaire that will be distributed to predetermined respondent. The technique used in analyzing the validity is the product moment correlation statistical technique, while the technique used in the reliability analysis is Krobang alpha. This test uses the SPSS software tools. The result of this research are number or the level of validity and reliability of the instrument. Validity and reliability tests using SPSS tools. Validity tests use product moment correlation where bivariate correlation with Pearson correlation coefficient. Meanwhile, for reliability testing using product alpha value, the test uses product moment analysis technique to calculate using the following formula. Based on the validity test data in table, there are three invalid instrument items, namely PE2, BA1, and AD1, with a calculated value or corrected item total correlation less more table. This result indicate that the three question items were removed from the instrument and were not included in the next analysis. Based on the reliability test data in table, all instrument items have a Krobach alpha value more than a table or more than 0.514, so it can be concluded the all question items are reliable. Based on the result of the research, there were 24 question items generated for the evaluation instrument for agent of change at the Denpasar High Court with a stick model. Based on the result of the validity test conducted on 24 instrument items, it was found that 21 instrument items were valid and 3 items were invalid. Based on the result of the validity test, the 3 questions were eliminated so that the question item to be used for the evaluation process were 21 items. Based on the result of the reliability test, it was found that all instrument items were reliable so that this question item was reliable to be used as an evaluation tool for agent of change at the Denpasar High Court with a stick model. In future research, it can develop a web-based online change agent candidate selection application. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for the time and your attention.